Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm going to do an outfits of the week, but it's really an outfits that I've worn recently. So I wanted to share with you some of my favorite outfits that I've worn recently, talk you through why I paired certain things together, what are my new favorite pieces that I've been wearing a ton. And dive in. This is the first outfit. This outfit I actually wore. We went to Lake Geneva for Mother's Day, for like a little friend's Mother's Day trip, and I wore this outfit I think on Saturday, and I'm in love with it. So the first thing being this little red and white stripe, here in my mouth, red and white striped button up. I honestly have never gotten a red and white stripe because I felt like it would look too like tent-like, too patriotic, if you will, but I think it's super cute. I got this in a size small. It's the perfect amount of oversized in my opinion. I love it. And this is one of those shirts that you can't button all the way up. I button up, like, I leave one button unbuttoned. And it's because I love to wear this little lace bra. I have this in black, and I recently picked it up in white to wear with like button-ups and stuff like this because I feel like it's cute if it shows. It doesn't really show like a ton, but it's super cute, super lacy. I got this off Amazon. I'm obsessed with the black one, so I knew I wanted a white one for this summer, especially to wear with like button-up tops like this. So this is a new pickup from Zara, and this is from Amazon. And then these shorts are my newest obsession from Zara. These are like the perfect length. I want to say they're probably 7 inches. I don't have a tape measure up here, but I love them. They're like high-waisted because they come up to my belly button. And I will leave my size down below. I'm typically a 2 in Abercrombie, and I'll leave my sizing for this because I know Zara is like impossible to get sizing right. But I'm in love with these. I feel like they're not super tight on the leg. Like they give me room to breathe in the leg. They've got slight distressing, and I like that they're longer in length. So this is what those look like. So since we wore this outfit for just like walking around all day and it was cold and I ended up putting this sweater on, I just draped this over my shoulder. You guys know I love a good shoulder sweater moment. So I wore this over my shoulder, but I ended up putting it on as well. So I wanted a sweater that was like oversized enough to like wear over the top of button-ups and stuff, but not too oversized where I couldn't wear it on my shoulders. And then since we were walking all day, I decided to put on my Samba, whatever you call them. This obviously is not like the most cohesive look. I probably could have gone with like, honestly, for like more of a girlier, more matching look, I could have gone with these, but I thought these were cute. And they're just so lightweight and comfortable, and I knew no matter how long we walked, I would be able to wear them. But this probably would be more of a cohesive look. These I don't know how to say this word. I heard someone say it the other day and it was so different than how I say it. I say Veja. I don't remember how they called it, but it was definitely not Veja. And I was like, oh my god, do I say that wrong? And then I wore these guys. I rebought these because I lost them somewhere in the move from Dallas to here, so I wanted them again. I just think they're just a really classic sunglass. So I wore, these are the Ray-Ban Circle. I don't know, I'll link the model down below because I don't know off the top of my head, but this was my little Mother's Day Eve running around Lake Geneva look. I thought it was very nautical and cute and lakey, and I really like it. So if you are looking for a good pair of shorts and you don't like super booty length shorts, check these out from Zara. I swear you're gonna be obsessed. They don't have any stretch to them, so sizing is kind of like ugh, but at first I bought too small, and then I went and tried this 2 sizes up, but the size in the middle was perfect for me. I'm obsessed with these denim shorts. All right. This next outfit is my everyday errands outfit. I love a good white linen button down. It just goes with everything. It's super simple, super easy to throw on, and I love it. This one I tucked fully in. I have my little hair clip up here, this little pearl beaded one. I just think it gives a little extra something to the look if I'm gonna wear it up versus just in a bun, which I wear a lot as well. And then I paired that with just like my favorite like medium wash mom jeans from H&M. So cute. And for my bag, I went with my Kokolu reusable tote. So big shout out to Kokolu for partnering with me on today's video. I absolutely love their totes. I have both sizes. This is the Daily 8 and this is the Daily Plus. I love the Daily Plus for my everyday errands bag because it's bigger. It's super lightweight and it's machine washable, so I have no worries with getting it dirty. I love the style style of this. This is made with 20 recycled water bottles, which I think is so cool. You guys know I love trying new brands and buying new bags, but I am trying to be much more conscious with my decisions on what I'm purchasing, and I feel like Kokolu gets that. You make it easy to still be cute and fashionable and aesthetic with, you know, the earth in mind. So I love that. This bag comes in so many different colors. I was between this and the orange, but it's absolutely perfect. So if I'm running to Aldi, which you know they don't have bags, if I'm running to Amazon and I have a bunch of returns to make, or the mall or whatever, I love this Daily Plus tote. So cute. The bottom is like very round and big. I keep this tote in my car for the most part. It folds up nice and small. You can see. And I just pop it in like my side door in the back, so that way I always have it in case I'm in a pinch and I'm running into a grocery store. Absolutely love that. And again, I don't have to worry about keeping it in my car and it getting dirty because it's machine washable and super light. And then they also have this smaller bag. This is cute for like running small errands, or I love this for throwing some stuff in to grab Arlo from somewhere and take him somewhere small, throw a pull-up in, throw an extra change of clothes because we're potty training, so it's like, you know the deal with that. But it's nice to have a bag like this because I can throw dirty stuff in it. I can throw snacks in it for him, like cereal bars that are half eaten, a banana that he decides he doesn't want anymore, throw it in there. But my absolute favorite thing that Kokolu does is sneakers. I love being able to support a brand that stands for a really good cause, and these are just also insanely cute. So if you're looking for a good, basic, super lightweight pair of sneakers, these are it. I love that the soles have a bunch of different colored plastics in them, and then the green bottom is like 100% my favorite thing. It's got the earth down below. It says walk for green. They're so cute, and they're machine washable as well. So yes, I know they're white, but they have a bunch of other colors as well and designs, but I loved this mesh white because I thought this would be perfect for summer. And when I'm running errands, throw them on, go, and they're super cute. So if you are like me and love adding new fashion, accessories, whatever into your wardrobe, then check out Kokolu. You don't have to compromise on aesthetics and quality and all of that for sustainability. So check out the description box down below. They did provide me with a coupon code that I will leave on the screen here. And a big shout out to Kokolu for partnering with me on today's video. And I love supporting a brand that believes in sustainability. So check out all the links in the description box down below. Am I giving Meredith Blake, I think that's her name, from Parent Trap with this outfit? I don't care, I'm so obsessed with it. So, sunglasses, Ray-Ban, I love these little, these are the Lady Burbank. I thought I lost them, and I'm so happy that I didn't. My little visor is from Lululemon. You guys, I was so anti-visor for so long, and I was like a hat girl when I walked, but then I realized I want some sun on my roots because I'm blonde and it really brightens me up and saves me like a trip to the salon. So I got a visor and I like this one from Lulu. It's not like super in your face, not like really old lady, but it's still old lady. And then my little Lululemon belt bag. This is perfect because with these sort of dresses, I never know like what do I pair for a bag with it. So I love this one. I, hot take, prefer the mini or the micro, whatever this is. I don't even know if they make this size over the full size. Even though I have the full size in white and would look cute. I prefer the small. My wallet very tightly, but it fits, and I don't know, I like it especially for walks and stuff. So this little guy in black, and this dress, I have this in navy. I knew I needed it in black. This is from Halara. I'm obsessed with this dress. It's so cute, and I loved the black and white. I felt like they didn't have black and white when I bought the navy for the first time. It's the perfect length. It's the perfect everything. You can wear a bra with this. I have a bra underneath, and it's good. It zips up. Just so cute. This would be perfect for like golf, tennis, anything like that, or just chilling like I do. I ran errands in this. I love these sambas with it, the black and the white. I just think so cute. This is my perfect, I'm gonna be living this all summer long. I prefer black dresses. Hear me out. I know this is gonna be really gross and TMI probably, but like I am an under boob sweater like no other. Like I feel like it's a hormone thing, but like, I don't know, I just sweat from under my boobs. It's like my thing. I hate it, but it happens when I get like heated. Whether it's like an argument, I will sweat under. Scott, don't talk to me, I'm mad at you, I'm sweating under my boobs right now. Or just like in general, my boobs sweat. I get a lot of under boob sweat, so I prefer black dresses or darker colors so it conceals the boob sweat. I know somebody has to understand that concept with me. But anyway, love it with these. This would also look super cute with black and white high top Converse or just white high top Converse. So cute. But yes, you need this dress. It's perfection. All right, it would not be an outfits of the week if I did not wear this shirt at least once. So this is the outfit that I wore for brunch. We went out to brunch when Scott's mom was in town on Sunday. We went to Egg Harbor in Arlington Heights, right? Yeah, in Arlington Heights. It's such a cute neighborhood over there. We wanted to get into scratch board kitchen, but it was busy. Wildberry, everything's so busy around here for brunch on Sunday, but it was nice to be able to go to like a Mother's Day brunch because we weren't able to celebrate Mother's Day with her. So this is what I wore. And then we went to a park afterwards, and the shoe choice was terrible because me and Scott were playing a game of pig or horse, and it went horrible. And can we just talk about, if you've played horse recently, the like words that you build up to spelling horse, like H-O-H-O-R, just say it out loud and you'll realize like how inappropriate the game horse really is. But anywho, Scott also taught me that when he would play horse or pig as a kid, you spit on the ground and wipe your spit so that it marks where you're supposed to be. I never did that with my brother, but I used to play horse a lot when I was younger with my brother because we had a basketball hoop outside of our house. Anywho, yeah, let's get into it. So this top's from Everlane. I wear it all the time. It's like a boat neck top. I love this. Honestly, wish I got it in a bigger size just because it's barely tuckable. Like when I was playing basketball, it kept getting untucked, so I just left it untucked. So I would say if you're getting it, I would go up a size just sheerly for length if you like to tuck it in, especially even to high-waisted pants. I'm getting more comfortable wearing lighter wash denim with wider tops like this. I never used to. I used to be like, I have to contrast, but I think it's really cute. These sunglasses I found when I was cleaning out my dresser. I love these. These are inspired by the Crew sunglasses. I got these ones off of Amazon. I also have them in all black, which I think those are downstairs, but I love this like black gray tortoiseshell. At first I was like, this is too much. But every time I wear them, I get compliments. Even my dad complimented me, so I was like, winner. My new Zara bag, I love this. I love the initial on this. This just feels nicer than it is, to be honest with you. I just think it's so cute. It has this cloth strap, but it also does have a long strap as well. I don't have it attached. There's some pockets inside and zipper. Just make sure you know that like once you engrave it, you cannot return it. So I would say like it's a thicker material. It's not super like high quality, but it's really quite like built quite nice, like on the straps and whatnot. So I would recommend this bag. I feel like this part of it is kind of just like, okay, it's not like a soft leather that I feel like will break in by any means. I don't even think it's leather at all. But I do really like it, and I was looking for just like a good black bag, and I think this is it for me. And like I said, it does have the crossbody strap as well, and it's pretty freaking roomy inside. So like this a lot, and loved that you could monogram it because it makes it just look so much nicer than I think it was like 50 bucks or something like that. So these jeans, I got these from Abercrombie, but I got them in a size short or a length short. So that way it hit like at my ankle. I feel like I'm back into this. I feel like I really like ankle jeans in the spring and summer. And then I paired them with these little black sandals that I just got from H&M. I felt like it tied in the black with the shirt and the bag all tied in. Terrible shoes to play horse in, I will say that. I was running and these were not the move, but I think that they're really cute. At first I was like, do they look like weird? But then the more I wear them, the more I love them, the cuter I think they are. So yes, that is my little brunch look followed by the park. So let's move on to the next outfit. So I love this outfit. I think it's super fun, and I wore this like, I think dinner on Thursday night when we picked up Scott's mom. So I recently got this new bag from Chloe and I'm obsessed. It's been on my wish list for like a billion years. It's stupid expensive, which is why I never pulled the trigger on it. But I love that it's versatile and can be worn as a handbag, but it can also have the strap, which I'm always here for. So finally invested in that piece. But I love that bag. I think it's so cute. I wore this little top. I got this, I feel like this is a size extra large, and it's super oversized, but I think it's really kind of cute and boxy, but cropped, and I'm here for it. So I got this. It's like a linen-like shirt from H&M. And I have my hair, I got this little metal clip. These remind me of back in the day. I used to wear them all the time. I hope you can see my head. From Shein. So cute. Same thing with the scarf. I've been loving, this scarf is like slightly small, so I just like make it work. It's like not a hanging scarf, which I wish it was. But I love this. It's got like little hearts on it, orange and blue. And I think it just adds some extra oomph to the outfit. I'm sorry, I'm like super itchy because I just like found a tick and I'm like, ugh. Is anyone else experiencing ticks like no other this year? I have never seen more ticks in my life than this year. And I'm like gonna lose my mind, I swear. They give me the jeebies. This one was big, so I could at least see it, but it was just chilling. And I'm like, sir, where did you come from? No one invited you. And it was on my hair clip, so I'm like, blah. Anyway, do ticks lay a lot of eggs? I really hope that's not the case. It probably came from my dog, but like, my son it's horrible. Anyway, drop your tick cures in life down below. I'm all here for it. So I was just saying I wear a lot of light jeans, but these dark jeans I'm contemplating getting in a short as well. I normally wear dark jeans a ton in the winter, and that's why I have these in a full length. I mean, I say they're full length, but they're kind of like ankle length. I mean, they're floor length, okay? And I kind of want to get them in a short. I love these jeans. These are just all like a dark wash pair from Abercrombie, and then I just paired it with my clogs because I feel like it's kind of neutral, easy, could be paired with other shoes, but I think this is cute. So love the way this top fits. I know they have this in a bunch of colors as well, and I sized way up because I wanted it to be super boxy and oversized, and then go with something a little more like waist defining so that it gives a balance to the look. All right, you guys, so that's gonna wrap up today's little outfits I've worn recently, outfits of the week video. You guys know I love filming these and I wanna get back into filming them more. So if you like these type of videos, it helps me a ton by giving the video a thumbs up, letting me know in the comments down below what was your favorite outfit. And a big shout out to Kokolu for partnering with me on this video. And check out the description box down below if you like supporting brands that stand for a really good cause. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.